Hello guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name is Joebet. If you're a returning subscriber, too, thank you so much for coming back. So today I have another video for you guys, for you ladies out there. So I decided to do my hair myself. Of course, I watched a lot of YouTube videos here, and being in Istanbul here, it's so expensive getting braids done, and as a student I feel like you need to learn if you want to do your braids and all that, to spend less money and do it yourself. So of course YouTube is there. You need to learn. Practice makes what improvement, as they say. So yeah, I got these braids last year December. I had these braids done, but I didn't throw them away. So all I did was get this. So I had two packs left. So that's basically what I'm using. So to get this done, you need a friend to do them for you, but also you can do it by yourself. The good thing is that all you need is a mirror and your phone. So what you do is get your phone on a stand, right? And then you put it directly, let it face the mirror. Let me turn off the light so you guys will get to see what I'm saying. So when you put your phone here and then you turn and face the mirror, you see. So I am seeing the back of my head through the phone but reflecting on the mirror, so that way I'm getting a close-up of what my hair is. Then you can easily make your parts by looking at the phone, and then you can do your patterns yourself. So that's basically what I did the last time I tried to do my hair myself. Here, let me turn on the light. So to start off, I'm going to attach the lock onto my natural hair. So this is the braids that I had in December, so I'm basically reusing it. So as you can see, I didn't put the crochet pin underneath my braided hair, my natural hair. I just put it on top of my natural hair, and then hooked a little bit of the lock, pull it through, and then attach my natural hair and pull it out, basically like tying it or something. Then the next thing I did was take the kinky hair and attach it. For the kinky hair, I am going to be putting it underneath my braided hair, my natural hair, and then pulling it through, leaving one side short and the other side longer. So the shorter side is going to be used to cover up my natural hair, and then the longer side will be used to wrap up my hair. And to wrap the hair, you have to make sure that you wrap your natural hair onto the lock like very well, to try to cover it as much as you can, and for the rest you just continue wrapping it randomly. It doesn't have to be neat, guys, so it would look more like a distressed lock. Keep on watching the video, guys, to get a close-up of how I attach the lock onto my hair and the wrapping process. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you're gonna try this hairstyle out, and also don't forget to comment down below if you like it. That means you have to stick around to see the end result, so see if you would like it and also if you would try it. Yeah.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious.
Alright guys, so this is what I've gotten so far. I think I've understand better how to do it, and I'm becoming more faster. I had to go off camera to practice better, and now I am going to show you better how I do it. So basically what I'm going to do is attach this to my hair. So I am not going under, I'm just going on top. Right, and then bring it out. Then lock it back in and pull it. Now after pulling it, I'll use this one, my hair. Lock it in and pull, and that's it. So now to wrap, I'll be using this hair. Oopsie, I've mixed everything.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious.
Alright guys, so today is the next day. I could not complete my hair yesterday because I was really tired and went to sleep. So this is what I have left. I did install some of them, so I have to wrap it, and there's some that I've not even like installed the braid like this one, so I have to wrap it to kind of look more like this. You can see the difference between the wrap lock and this one, so that's what I have to do right now. So yeah, I'm going to be completing my hair today. I hope this looks beautiful after I'm done, guys. This is my first try, and I'm really glad that I had to do it myself, because if I am to do this somewhere, I would have to pay like 1,000 Turkish lira. That's expensive. Sometimes I have this kind of situation, like when it tangles, so I just try to get as much as possible. Where is it? And just keep on wrapping. It's like still gonna be rough either way, so you don't want it to be neat, because that's the how a lock is supposed to look like this distressed lock, right? So I just go ahead and use it. You see, like you won't even tell that it was a, see.
No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like you got a body that you always find.
So as you can see, I'm basically looping this on the not under. So here, I'm not doing this, no. So what I'm basically trying to do is just hook it like on a tiny piece. As you can see, I just hooked it on a tiny piece and then closing the loop, pull through. This is still there, and then pull my hair out instead.
You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey.
So guys, this is the end result. I hope you like it. I like it because I did it myself, of course, and I feel it's perfect for a first try, and it's not painful at all. I make sure not to put too much tension on my roots, and yeah. So I'll link the video that I watched in the description box down below, so you can go check it out for better explanation, since it's hard explaining it, doing it by myself, and you'll get a better view of what I was trying to explain with that video. So I'll link it in the description box so you watch it. So anyways, that's the end of the video. Hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below your thoughts. Would you try this? Like, is it worth paying? Oh, like, is it worth paying too much money for this, or would you rather do it yourself and like improve as time goes on? So anyways guys, see you in my next video. Bye.